In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily insert your eyelets in your garments using an eyelet pliers and eyelets. So you can insert these eyelets at the back of your corset or anywhere where you want to have the eyelets inserted. So this is the same technique you can use on bigger eyelets, but for bigger eyelets you need a bigger pliers. So after sewing your garment, you're going to start inserting with the help of this little tool. So I have my eyelet here and my pliers. Then I'm also going to get the fabric that I'm going to use to demonstrate to you guys. So I've already inserted one and I'll show you exactly how I did it. So this is what I did. I'm going to get my pair of scissors. So I'll get my pair of scissors, then get my fabric. So I'm going to fold this fabric twice. So I'm going to give it fold number 1 and fold number 2. Then I'm going to cut a small hole. So this hole is where the eyelet will be inserted. Start by making a small one, then gradually increase it. So I need to test to see if the eyelet can easily penetrate through this hole. If it's too small, I'll increase. Since it's too small, I'll increase the hole by trimming off a bit more with my pair of scissors. Then I'm going to try and insert and see if it can penetrate. Okay, so that's the perfect size. It can penetrate. So I'm now going to do the magic with the eyelet pliers. So this is the wrong side, as you can see, and the other side was the right side. So I'm going to get my eyelet pliers. So you have to pay attention. There's this side which will go on the right side and this bottom one will go on the wrong side. So this bottom one, which has a form of this part here, that is where the wrong side is going to be. So I'm going to place my wrong side right in there, as you can see. Then I'm going to put the right side up. Then I'm just going to snap it, clip it, and that way my eyelet is going to be inserted. So this is the right side. As you can see, it looks very neat, and the other side is the wrong side, which also looks very neat. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and watch more of my other videos. Bye and see you next time.